Welcome to this video, your introduction to the world of AI. Today, we'll explore the basics of artificial intelligence and show you how it can transform your studies, projects, and career. We're Mujeeb or Rehman, and the team behind the Summer Skill Initiative, and we're excited to have you with us. The Summer Skill Initiative 2026 is a free program designed for CS and IT students to build practical, job-ready skills. We focus on AI and modern development tools, led by industry-experienced instructors. This is your chance to gain real-world experience, no matter your current skill level. Our roadmap today covers everything from AI history and types to its role in development. We'll dive into generative AI, prompt engineering, and the ethics of the field. We'll end with a live demo and time for your questions. So what is AI? Simply put, it's when a machine thinks and learns like a human. Or even better, think of it like your own brain. It learns from experience and data, similar to how you study to get smarter. It can read, write, and even communicate, just like us. The history of AI spans over 70 years, from Alan Turing's initial questions to the 2022 launch of ChatGPT. While AI has been evolving for decades, the last 3 years have brought unprecedented change, making this the perfect time to start your AI journey. AI comes in different forms. Most of what we use today is narrow AI. It's excellent at specific tasks like face recognition or voice assistance. General AI and super AI remain theoretical concepts for the future. So remember, the AI we interact with daily is specialized and incredibly powerful. AI is already everywhere. You interact with it when you use Google Search, voice assistance, or fraud detection in banking. It's even in the technology behind self-driving cars and healthcare diagnostics, often in ways we don't always notice. AI is significantly impacting every industry, from finance to healthcare and gaming. With trillions of dollars in projected economic value and millions of new jobs, learning these skills now is a strategic move that will give you a major advantage in your career. The future of technology will be shaped by AI, from AI-managed systems in manufacturing to personalized 24/7 AI tutors. These aren't just concepts. They are the future you are preparing to build. For computer science students, AI is a crucial asset. It offers a clear career advantage, helps you build impressive final-year projects, unlocks high-value freelancing opportunities, and gives you the tools to solve real-world problems more effectively. In software development, AI acts as a coding superpower. From using GitHub Copilot to write code, to utilizing AI for debugging, reviewing, and documentation, these tools allow you to focus less on repetitive tasks and more on solving complex architectural problems. An AI-powered developer workflow integrates tools at every stage: planning, coding, debugging, research, and deployment. This approach significantly boosts productivity, as shown by students who can build full applications in a fraction of the usual time. To get started, focus on these essential tools: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Perplexity. Each has a free tier available, so there is no barrier to start building your AI-integrated toolkit today. Generative AI is a breakthrough technology that creates new text, images, code, audio, and video from simple instructions. It's fundamentally different from traditional AI because it generates original content rather than just analyzing existing data. Finally, large language models, or LLMs, are essentially massive AI brains trained on trillions of words. By learning patterns in human language, they can answer complex questions and write code. These models are the engine behind the tools we use to navigate our digital future. Now, let's move into prompt engineering. Think of this as the skill of talking to AI the right way to get the best results. A weak prompt just gives you generic output, but a strong prompt, one that defines a role, provides context, and specifies format, gives you production-ready code. For students, AI is a game changer. Use it to draft reports, simplify complex study topics, assist with final-year projects, or fix coding errors in seconds. It's also an incredible tool for professional development, helping you build your CV and prep for interviews. Use it to learn and grow, not to take shortcuts. Developers, your workflow is about to get a major upgrade. AI can handle boilerplate code generation, smart debugging by analyzing your stack traces, and even assist with API integration, auto documentation, and architecture planning. Try one of these use cases in the next 24 hours and see the difference for yourself. The benefits of AI are clear. It provides incredible speed, high accuracy in repetitive tasks, global accessibility to expert-level help, cost reduction for businesses, and powerful support for scientific discovery and personalized learning. It's truly democratizing access to knowledge. However, we must remain aware of limitations. AI can hallucinate, confidently giving wrong answers, and it has knowledge cutoffs. Be cautious of bias, privacy risks, and remember that AI lacks human common sense. Always follow the golden rule. AI is a powerful tool, but you must always think critically about its output. Ethical use is non-negotiable. Always be honest about when you've used AI in your work, protect sensitive personal or company data, and ensure your use of AI aligns with your institution's policies. Use AI as a teacher, review outputs for fairness, and always consider the broader societal impact of your projects. Let's bust some common myths. AI is not always right, it won't replace all jobs, it doesn't actually think like a human, and it is definitely not just for experts. The reality is that AI is a tool, it evolves jobs, finds patterns, and is accessible to anyone willing to learn. The big question, will AI replace developers? The short answer is no, but developers who use AI will certainly replace those who don't. While AI can't replace human empathy, creativity, or responsibility, it is unmatched at tasks like writing boilerplate and debugging. Become the developer who uses AI as a superpower. Your skills roadmap in the AI era focuses on 3 pillars: AI tool fluency, a solid technical foundation in languages like Python, and sharpening your uniquely human skills like critical thinking and problem decomposition. Start a 30-day challenge. Spend 15 minutes a day with these tools, and you'll quickly outperform your peers. Look at these real-world examples. Students building AI-powered exam generators, freelancers earning with AI chatbot services, and developers creating inventory systems or healthcare support tools. These successes were driven by students who learned to apply AI in practical ways. You can achieve this too. It's time for a live demo. We'll show you how code generation, smart debugging, prompt engineering, and AI-powered research actually look in practice. Watch carefully, because after this, it's your turn to try it yourself through the assignment. To wrap up, remember these 5 takeaways. AI is a tool, prompt quality dictates output quality, start learning today, use AI responsibly, and embrace it as a career advantage. Keep building, keep learning, and stay curious. Here is your practice assignment. We've designed tasks for every skill level, from writing basic Python scripts with ChatGPT to integrating APIs for web projects. Pick the task that matches your level, stay consistent, and remember, quality and documentation matter more than complexity. That wraps up our session. Thank you for being here today. If you have any questions, doubts, or ideas, feel free to ask. Keep in mind that the technology you learn today is the career you build tomorrow. See you in the next session.